In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. We'll walk through connecting your Shopify store to Mailchimp so your customers, orders, and products sync automatically, letting you run smarter, data-driven email marketing. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing in to your account dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and choose Integrations. This page is the control center for all your app connections, and it's where you'll add Shopify. Use the search bar at the top to type Shopify, then select the official Shopify integration. Opening it brings up the integration details. Take a moment to review what will sync. Mailchimp will pull in your customers' orders and products. Nothing is sent until you connect. But understanding this scope helps you plan campaigns that use purchase history and catalog data. When you're ready, click Get Started. Mailchimp will guide you through a short connection flow. A new window may open that takes you to Shopify. If you're not already signed in, log in there and continue. Next, authorize access. Shopify will show you the permissions Mailchimp needs to read your store data. Approving these permissions allows Mailchimp to securely sync the information required for segments, automations, and product content. After authorization, the first data sync begins. You'll see customers, orders, and products start importing. The initial sync can take a few minutes, especially if your catalog or order history is large, so keep the tab open and give it time to finish. To confirm everything worked, return to the integrations area in Mailchimp and look for Shopify listed as connected. You can click into it to view status and confirm that data has started flowing. With the connection live, you can immediately put the data to work. Create email campaigns that reference recent purchases, build audience segments based on behavior or lifetime value, set up automations like abandoned cart messages that trigger when someone leaves items behind, and insert dynamic product recommendations pulled right from your store. A few quick tips before you go. Make sure you have admin access in both Mailchimp and Shopify so you can grant permissions. Double check that you're connecting the correct Shopify store, especially if you manage more than one. And if the connection window doesn't appear, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers and try again. That's the setup. Your Shopify store is now connected to Mailchimp, giving you everything you need to run targeted, effective email marketing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.